Good morning, peeps. Welcome to another vlog. I would like to introduce you to a good friend of mine. That's him right over here. Jamie, say hi to the peeps.
Bonjour.
Peeps, this is Jamie. Jamie is going to be hanging out with us. He's going to be starting some plumbing. He's interested in the trade. He wants to see if it's something that's for him. So he's going to be with us for the next little while just to get the feel of what this is all about. Let's get to the truck. Let's get everything we need.
The truth is, that really shows what happened.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove. Got yourself something funky.
So we're about to go do a K1500 call. This is officially going to be the second call that Jamie's ever done with the K1500. We'll see how he handles it. Probably going to use the GoPro today. Let's get going. Alrighty, so we just snaked a drain. Jay, what did you think about your second drain?
It smells great in there.
Yeah,
it smells real
it's
good.
pretty savage when you start smelling that fresh drain smell. Something you gotta deal with, you know how it is, the life of a plumber. So now we're actually gonna head out to another job site. We're doing a bunch of finishing. We're gonna be installing a bunch of toilets. So let's go ahead and do that.
Got yourself something funky.
Alrighty, peeps, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be relocating some valves over here, putting in a couple of hose beeps because we're eventually going to be putting in a washing machine, as you can see right behind me. So what I have to do here is I'm going to take these two valves, I'm going to get rid of them, I just shut the water. I'm going to start putting the pipes to the right. I'm going to bring two pipes up. I'm going to have two valves coming out, two hose bips, just like that, and valves in between. And then I'm going to relocate this drain so that it comes up in here. I'm going to drill a hole. I'm going to connect the hose beeps, and then I'm also going to connect the drain. Sounds a little complicated right now, but don't worry, I'm going to show you everything step by step. Alrighty peeps, so I actually ran into an issue right now with one of the valves. One of the valves is actually bent in a certain way that it won't allow me to actually put a pipe inside. So what I'm gonna have to do is sweat it out and then put in a brand new valve. I'm gonna try to get it on camera for you guys so you can see what's wrong with it exactly. It's got like an edge to it when it's supposed to be fully circular. See that edge right here? Right there? That won't let me put in a pipe basically, and that's why this guy is now unusable. I want to show you guys quickly what we're looking at here. 2 pipes coming across, 2 valves so we can shut them if we wanted to, and then 2 hose beeps at the top. We're going to be cutting a hole in here and also running a drain pipe vertically and a trap right into this guy right here, which is the existing drain. GoPro officially died on me, so we're going old school, peeps.
And now you've got yourself something funky.